Hello guys, how are you? Please subscribe my channel for more cryptocurrency projects video. Today we will discuss about Columbus coin, Columbus token. The light of sun is the future of crypto discovery, redefining decentralized finance. Columbus token pre-sale is ended. You can check out on BSC chain. This is contract address of CBS token. 40% of Columbus CBS token are locked. You can check out why you will invest in Columbus. The Columbus project look to solve these inherent problems associated with decentralized finance and provide users with a seamless and frictionless ecosystem where they can access various financial opportunities. The Columbus ecosystem simplifies finance and give the user simple platform where they can easily enjoy the fruit of DeFi. Christopher Columbus, we have always believed that path of wealth is journey. To find the opportunity, you often have to explore deep. This what we did, and this is why we took our inspiration from the biggest explorer in history, Christopher Columbus. Wager DEX AMM exchange, the DEX aggregator and yield farming. This is a Wager DEX AAM exchange, DEX aggregator and yield farming. The Wager DEX is decentralized exchange protocol and DEX aggregation platform running on the automated market maker model for the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. This is decentralized. User can swap their BEP20 standard crypto token on the Wager DEX by connecting with their Web3 wallet with the Binance Smart Chain network enabled. The platform work and similar to familiar DEX such as PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Liquidity mining, user can add liquidity to existing token pair in the liquidity pool and earn passive income. They can also add their own token and create token pair and list their own crypto tokens for their project. Each liquidity provider will be given Wager LPs when they stake their token. They can redeem these tokens whenever they want by unstaking. DEX aggregator. Wager DEX is also a DEX aggregator that crawler across various DEX on the BSC network and provide user with the best value for their trades even if sufficient liquidity is not found in the Wager liquidity pool. The user can still swap their token. Sailor Farm. Sailor Farm further incentivize user to provide liquidity to Columbus token CBS pair as well as other token pairs. User can stake their PancakeSwap LP token on the Sailor Farm and earn a high APR yield. Riot Market NFT marketplace. Early platform in Columbus ecosystem is built on the people for the people, but the problem with completely open marketplace is that is could compromise the quality of the NFT hosted for sale or auction. To solve this, we have to include voting system where CBS holder can not only vote on different aspects of platform but also vote on each NFT listing. The vote and review on the listing are cast by a logarithm similar to how social media platform measure user engagement and promote these NFT to homepage. User generated NFT collectors, Columbus wallet, Wager DEX module, tokenomic, total tokens are this supply, initial market capitalization, this. You can check out their roadmap. So thanks for watching my video.